Good morning, 802. It was so nice to hear from a lot of you yesterday. I got to speak to you guys personally, and I also got to speak to your parents. I'm really glad that everybody's healthy and safe, staying inside and quarantining and following social distancing rules. Um, I want to sort of create a tutorial because a lot of you expressed that you were having some technical difficulties with Google Classroom, or you've forgotten your pupil path password or whatnot. And so here's a quick tutorial of how to access your assignments, because a lot of you do have missing assignments, and I know that I've given some of you extensions. Um, and so let's just get started. So this is just a test account. I've included this student in our Google Classroom to show you how I would access my work if I was a student, right? So I'm going to click on 802 Living Environment, and immediately I see the stream, which is easy. Now, if you go to classwork up here, and then on the top left, it says view your work. So if I click on view your work, there you go. All the work that you might be missing is there. So anything that you see is missing or assigned, you need to get to it right away. All right. So that's about it. I hope you guys continue to stay healthy and safe, and I hope this tutorial helped all of you. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. Bye.